Quantifiers: many, much, a lot. What are quantifiers? They are words that indicate the quantity of the thing. Many, much, a lot are quantifiers. They describe large quantities, big quantities. Many and a lot of, or a lot or a lot of. We use many and a lot with countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count. Example: carrots are countable nouns that we can count. 1 carrot, 2 carrots, 3 carrots, 4 carrots, 5 carrots, etc. Countable nouns have got an s or es in the plural. Fruits and vegetables are countable nouns. Fruits and vegetables are countable nouns. In the positive form we use there are a lot of or there are lots of. There are a lot of fruits and vegetables in the market. There are a lot of carrots. There are lots of eggplants. There are lots of cherries. So we say a lot of, a lot of. In the question we use how many with countable nouns. Tomatoes are countable nouns. We use how many in the question. How many tomatoes are there in the fridge? In the affirmative answer, we say there are a lot. Picture 1. There are a lot. Or there are a lot of tomatoes. Or there are lots of tomatoes. Picture 2. How many tomatoes are there in the fridge? There are not many. There are not many. So in the affirmative answer, we use a lot. In the negative answer, we use not many. Not many. With countable nouns, we use are. How many grapes are there in basket 1? There are a lot. Or there are a lot of grapes. Or there are lots of grapes. How many grapes are there in basket 2? There are not many. Now much and a lot. We use much and a lot with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count. Example: water. It is a liquid that we cannot count. Butter. It is a mass that we cannot count. Uncountable nouns have not got an s. They haven't got the plural form. Example: water, we don't say waters. Water. It hasn't got plural. Butter. We don't say butters, we say butter. Water and butter are uncountable nouns. They haven't got s. So the plural doesn't exist with uncountable nouns. So with uncountable nouns we use there is a lot of or there is lots of. Examples: there is a lot of fruit juice on the table. There is a lot of cheese. There is lots of cake. There is lots of butter. With uncountable nouns we use the verb to be is. So with the uncountable nouns is. With countable nouns we use are. A lot of or lots of, the same meaning. In the question we use how much. With countable nouns we use how many. With uncountable nouns we use how much. How much with uncountable nouns. How much milk is there in the fridge? Picture 1. In affirmative answer we use a lot. There is a lot. Or there is a lot of milk. Or there is lots of milk. In the negative answer we use not much. Picture 2. How much milk is there in the fridge? In picture 2, there is not much. So in the affirmative answer we use a lot, in the negative answer we use not much, with uncountable nouns. So practice. Fill in the gaps with many, much, a lot, or lots of. Number 1, how many potatoes are there in the basket? There are not many. Picture 2, is there much pasta on the plate? Yes, there is a lot. Picture 3, how many eggs are in the fridge? There are lots of eggs. 4, is there much cake on the plate? Picture 4. No, there is not much. Second activity, practice. Look at the pictures and answer the questions below. Picture 1, how much meat is on the first plate? There is not much. Picture 2, how much meat is on the second plate? There is a lot. Look at the pictures, then answer the questions below. Picture 1, are there many buildings in a city? Yes, there are a lot. Picture 2, are there many bananas on the basket? No, there are not many. Keep in mind the following rules. Countable nouns. In the question, we use how many are or are there many. In the affirmative answer, we use there are a lot. In the negative answer, we use there are not many. So question, how many, are there many? Affirmative, there are a lot. Negative, there are not many. Uncountable nouns, in the question we use how much, is there much? Affirmative answer, there is a lot. Negative answer, there is not much. Exercise, look at the pictures and ask questions and answer them using how much, how many, is there much, are there many. The answer, picture 1, how many apples are on the tree? There are lots of apples. Picture 2, is there much juice in the glass? No, there is not much. 3, are there many flowers in your garden? No, there are not many. 4, how much rice is there on the plate? There is a lot. Thank you for being with us.